Hey guys, finally after so many leaks and rumors, Xiaomi announced its latest flagship Xiaomi Mi 8, Mi 8 SE and Mi 8 Explorer Edition. So what's new, what's changed, let's talk about it. First off, talk about Xiaomi Mi 8. So it is come with 6.21-inch notch display from Samsung with 2248 by 1080 pixels and 18.7 by 9 aspect ratio, and with a Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 6 gigs of RAM and 64, 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. It is come with 12 plus 12 megapixel AI dual rear camera with 2 times optical zoom, and Xiaomi said about camera that AI will work automatically in your pictures and make it more advanced, and it is come with 3400 mAh battery with back fingerprint scanner and a 20 megapixel front facing camera with f2.0 aperture, and it is support dual GPS for better accuracy and also support for NFC payments. So the complete package of Xiaomi Mi 8 is ready. Let's talk about pricing. So the base model 6 plus 64GB is available in 2699 yuan, 6 plus 128GB 2999 yuan, and the last 6 plus 256GB is available in 3299 yuan. If you roughly translate these prices, so the base model will be cost around $420, while 128 gigs will around $470, and the last 256GB of internal storage model will cost around $510. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition. So it is almost the same as the Mi 8. The difference is that the fingerprint sensor is placed underneath the display instead of back, and it is come with 3D facial recognition like iPhone 10, as well as here's one special variant that comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and with an amazing translucent back panel designs. So these are some special changes from standard Mi 8, and the price of this phone is 3699 yuan, almost $580, which is obviously half the cost of iPhone 10. And here is one more phone named as iPhone SE. Xiaomi Mi 8 SE. This phone is packed with 5.88-inch AMOLED screen from Samsung with 18.7 by 9 aspect ratio. It is come with Qualcomm's latest chipset Snapdragon 710 processor with 4/6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. It is come with 12 plus 5 megapixel camera on the rear and a 20 megapixel front facing camera with a 3100 mAh battery juice and a back fingerprint scanner. And the price of this phone is 1799 yuan of 4 plus 64 gigs model, while 6 plus 64 gigs model is cost 1999 yuan, which roughly translates into $280 and $300. So guys, here is a full update of Mi 8, Mi 8 SE and Mi 8 Explorer Edition. So yeah, that's all about the Xiaomi Mi 8. Now what you guys think, especially about its pricing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.